y'all? It's me, Miss Ruby. Welcome back to Music and Beauty TV. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm here with my girl,
Whitney.
I have her here with me for a very special video. As you guys can see by the thumbnail and the title, we are going to do a tutorial or like a presentation of this 10-minute sew-in. Woo! Which was gifted to me by the creators themselves, and their information is going to be in the description below. But basically, I just wanted to show you guys my very first impression of using this product, this unit, on this client. We just wanted to tell you guys like kind of what we thought about it. So stay tuned, check out how we did the installation, the little tutorial, then we're going to come back and talk about it toward the end. All right?
Okay, so this unit is described by the 10-minute sew-in reps as their traditional virgin hair in the lengths 14 and 16 inches. It's the equivalent of 2 bundles of hair, or 6.5 ounces. As you guys can see, this is just like a U-part wig, only it is breathable. As you can see, compared to a U-part wig, it does not have the cap on it that typically comes with a wig. The sides do have nets on them so that you can stitch this down along your client's perimeter, and you can also cut pieces of this off to adjust it to fit the size of your client's head. Getting started, this is just a quick run through of how I'm braiding my client's hair down. You can do really big braids underneath this unit, but I choose to do small braids at least around the perimeter of her hair. And she wants to wear this unit for quite some time, so I do want to do the braids sturdy so that they last underneath, especially since this is a breathable unit that doesn't have the extra cap or protection. I don't want her hair coming apart underneath the unit. So after I'm finished braiding down her beehive, then I'm just placing the unit on top, showing you guys what it looks like, how dense it is in between. You're not going to see anything, but look how stretchy it is. It stretches this way, it also stretches the wide way, so it can fit a variety of size heads. And now I'm just going to go in and begin stitching. Now, when I timed this out, it only took me about 2.5 minutes to stitch down the entire top and about 4 minutes to stitch down the side that you're about to see. Other than that, I didn't show you guys myself stitching the other side, but when you add that time together, that's about 10 minutes, and this was my first time. Although it took a bit longer to stop while I was filming and start again, I just wanted to let you guys know that this really can and actually does only take about 10 minutes. So right here, I'm giving you guys an example of what happened when we were installing this. I was trying to leave hair out around her edges, but it turns out that the unit was so big that I would have had to cut pieces off of it in order to do that. And she actually said she would prefer for me to braid her edges up, which is why I took this down, braided her edges up, and now I'm finishing the sew-in. But I just wanted to show you guys what that looked like, because if you want to leave your hair out around your edges, you certainly can, but you'll probably have to cut a piece of the unit off in order to do so. Seriously, stitching this down around the perimeter is so simple. And this is what it looks like once the entire unit is installed. And now I'm just going to go through and do a quick style to her hair with some wand curls. Now, I wanted you guys to see how good this blends naturally. I haven't pressed her hair out, done anything to it. And the only reason why I'm going through to actually press her hair out a bit is because I am going to add some wand curls, and I don't want the ends of her hair to be too much fluffier than the ends of this unit. So now I'm going to go through and add some wand curls really quickly, and then we'll come back and tell you guys what we thought about the unit.
As you can see, my client's hair is already done. The 10-minute sew-in unit is already in her hair completely. From a stylist standpoint, I really like the product because, yes, I still did have to braid her hair down, which took a little while. But once it came time to actually stitch the tracks in, it was actually really quick. What do you think about it? How does it feel on your head right now?
I absolutely love it. I like the fact that it blends with my natural hair so much, and it's very lightweight. Even the inside is very, like they say, is breathable. It doesn't feel like a complete sew-in, so it's not. It doesn't give you the pressure or the tightness of a sew-in. It actually feels really good.
But it still feels secure, like it's
very
not
secure.
Because that was kind of like my question when I heard about the product, and even when I was installing it on your head, like how secure could it actually feel? But she says it still feels secure, and I think it's a dope idea. Like if you guys have never tried this product out before, definitely like hit the suppliers up so that you guys can try it out yourself, because I think that if you're not like really into sitting for a long time to get your hair done, and you want something that's gonna maintain like all one unit, you know how sometimes like you get your weave done and we lay the tracks, go to a different stylist and they lay the tracks differently. This time the track's gonna be laid the same exact way every single time, but it's still a weave. It's not a wig, because like wigs come with the actual cap underneath them and you don't have as much access to your scalp. So I feel like this definitely solves a couple of problems. I'm really excited for you to wear it and let me know what you think about it down the line.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but as far as the texture of the hair too, I love it. Like when they said they were sending it to me, I had no idea it was going to be a natural texture. Like it's so bomb.
It does, and it feels like it's my hair. It feels like the texture of my.
It looks
hair.
like it's your hair.
It looks amazing.
I'm all in support of the natural weave, like the weave that has more of like a natural feel to it, just because I like to encourage natural girls to take care of their natural hair. As y'all can see, I'm trying to go back curly myself. You know, I'm trying to only wear curly weaves like this year so that I don't have to straighten my hair too much. And although I did put a little bit of heat on your hair throughout this process, I still feel like altogether, if you wanted to just get up and go and not press your hair out every day, you could.
Yes, I can absolutely rock a blowout and be fine.
Yep. And it blended too when we did that
part. It really
did.
It was amazing.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation. Make sure you guys go to Instagram and follow Whitney Loves Braids. It's right here.
Sweet Embrace Braids.
Huh?
Sweet Embrace Braids. Gotta change it.
Oh, it's different.
Let's go.
Sweet Embrace Braids. Follow her. She does hair. She be hooking it up, laying and slaying. Thank you for subscribing and for following Whitney's Instagram and for following me on social media. God bless you all. As always, we'll see you on the next tutorial. Don't be copying me. Dang. Oh my God.
That's so funny.
Dang.
We both did it at the same time.
What's up, y'all? It's me, Miss Ruby, and this is my girl. What's her name?